This 2022 Grand Design Reflection 303 RLS is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Grand Design is 32 feet 9 inches in length and features Sleep 6, spare tire kit, auxiliary battery, smoke detector, DVD player, leveling jacks, awning, air conditioning, stovetop burner, carbon monoxide detector, refrigerator, and 74 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Grand Design Reflection 303 RLS is 9,694 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.